العليلة أنه ماله جنة.
Assalamu alaikum, Ramadan Mubarak. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Aisha Abba. If you're new here, welcome. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for stopping by. Thank you for always staying with me. What you're seeing on your screen is our newly launched body oil. It smells so amazing. If you want to know more about this luxury scented body oils, then keep on watching. So while I'm packing this luxury scented body oil box, which costs 10,000 naira only, by the way, for 30 mils size, that's 330 mil size, instead of 12,000 naira, it will be selling for 10,000 naira because of Eid. And luxury scented body oils are not our normal body oils. They are this type of oils that makes our body smell so good and make our body feel so smooth, and it just elevates how you carry yourself, like, because your body feels so different. And these our body oils are of very high quality, like they are made with oils are like infused with premium fragrance, and this fragrance do not only makes your skin smell so good, they nourish your skin, which is skincare, and you smelling elegant and very edible and sweet. What makes ours luxury is the intention and quality behind it, because we use premium ingredients like almond oil, jojoba oil, sunflower oils, and other amazing oils and fragrance that's very good to our skin. Our luxury body oils do not just make you smell good, they moisturize deeply, improve skin texture, give a natural glow, and reduce dryness and ashiness, so your skin looks as good as it smells. I named this luxury body oil because this is the first of its kind in Arewa, Nigeria. We are mostly familiar with the humras, the sprays, but we do not know this body oils. And this body oil is this kind of clean beauty vibe. It just elevates everything about you when you use this body oil. I've been experimenting these body oils for months, and trust me when I say, when you start using these body oils, you will never want to go back, because it just gives you this calm, clean girl scent. You don't even need to do too much when you're using these body oils. Just a mild perfume and your body oil, then you are good to go. So for those of you that would love to purchase our body oil, this box sells for just 10,000 naira, and we have just a few boxes. We only have 5 left. I posted this on WhatsApp, and a lot of people have been getting this box. And if you like to order this box, I can send this to you wherever you are in the world. And this our body oils are mostly available like in 50 ml size. I just made a tester for a few people that would love to experiment different scents in small sizes, but the standard size is 50 ml, and we have the 50 ml in stock. You can send the DM. We have the violet calm, which is the purple one. Then we have the roseberry elixir, which is the rose and the maroon colored oil. Then we have the vanilla latte, which is the ivory color oil. And then we have the satin shimmer, which is the pink body oil. So and all these oils, they have different scents, like I said, and they serve different purpose. If you are the type that love lavender kind of like scent, calm, fruity kind of like fragrances, then you love the violet calm. And we have vanilla latte for people who love ice cream. Just get these body oils and understand what I'm saying, because if you do not get these oils and use it, experiment it on your skin, you will not even understand what I'm trying to say. And this is the sign for you guys that have never tried body oils. Give it a trial, you love it, and when you start using it, trust me, you won't go back. So I'm done packing this body oil box, and look at how beautiful this looks. I added like a little label to tell the customer what is inside this box before they even unbox it, which makes this so beautiful. And if you like to order, send a DM to the number on the screen or send a DM on Instagram. Like I said, few boxes is what we have. We don't have a lot. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share my video, and if you also want to join our upcoming Mastering the Business of Perfume Masterclass, send a DM to the number on your screen or on Instagram. Waitlist group is already up and a lot of people are already joining. We are over 100 in the waitlist group. So I can't wait to see you guys in class. I can't wait to have you guys in class. It's going to be an amazing, amazing class. For those of my students that have joined my classes, you guys should comment. Tell them that my classes are not a child's play. It's very, very valuable. Like it's detailed. Everything is just nice about the class. So I hope to see you guys in my next one. Assalamu alaikum. Bye.